Did you know that English has only 5 vowel letters, A, E, I, O, and U, but around 20 different vowel sounds? This variety is what makes pronunciation both fun and challenging. Welcome back to our pronunciation series. Today, we're going to tackle one of the most important parts of English pronunciation, vowel sounds. We'll cover the basic short and long vowels, with examples, and get to know diphthongs too. Let's dive in. Let's start with short vowels, which are quick, single sounds. Here are the main short vowels you'll hear in English, with example words to help you remember them. Repeat after me to practice each sound. The first is A, as in cat. This sound is made by opening your mouth wide, almost like you're smiling a little. Repeat. Cat. Next is as in bed. Your mouth opens just slightly, and the sound feels relaxed. Repeat. Bed. Then, we have as in sit. Your lips should be relaxed, and your mouth slightly open. It's a quick, light sound. Repeat. Sit. As in pot, for this sound, your lips are rounded, and your mouth is slightly open, like when you're yawning a little. Repeat. Pot. The next sound is as in cup. Your mouth opens just a bit, and the sound is short and relaxed. Repeat. Cup. Finally, as in foot. This sound is short and made with rounded lips, but it's not as long as a regular oo sound. Repeat. Foot. Short vowels are typically brief, and mastering them will help with clear, natural pronunciation in English. Now, let's move on to the long vowels, which are drawn-out sounds. They are often held for a slightly longer time compared to short vowels. Here are the main long vowels in English. The first long vowel is I, as in seat. Your lips are slightly stretched, almost like a soft smile. You'll hold this sound out for a bit. Repeat. Seat. Next, we have as in car. Open your mouth wide and relax, letting the sound resonate in the back of your mouth. Repeat. Car. Then, there's as in more. This sound needs rounded lips and a deeper, held-out tone. Repeat. More. You, as in food, requires rounding your lips and holding the sound longer than you would for short vowels. Repeat. Food. Lastly, as in bird. Your lips should be relaxed, and the sound is made deeper in your mouth. Repeat. Bird. These long vowel sounds are essential for clear English pronunciation, as they often change the meaning of a word if pronounced differently. Let's practice distinguishing short vowels from long vowels. I'll say 2 words, one with a short vowel and one with a long vowel. Listen closely and repeat after me to hear the difference. Bit and beat. Pot and part. Full and fool. Great job! Training your ear to hear these differences will make your pronunciation clearer.